does self-grooming and makeup affect women?
First of all, thank you, Sana, for having me. It's a pleasure to be here. Yes, absolutely. I feel self grooming and makeup has a very positive impact on women. I feel it's a medium of self expression for women. Um, if a woman is taking out time to do some self grooming and for self care, it boosts up her confidence levels, her self esteem. It's a human nature that people want to look good, and if they look good and it makes them feel happy, why not? And I feel it's a very positive influence on a woman's life if she takes out time for her self grooming. May that be makeup, may that be exercise, may that be working out, may that be wearing something you like, anything that makes her happy. I think it's very important and it absolutely has a positive impact.
How crucial is it to follow your passion when it comes to pursuing your dreams?
I think it's extremely important to firstly have a passion in your life and then to be able to pursue it and make it a part of your career or your profession. And if you're fortunate enough to do that, there is nothing stopping you from succeeding. By passion, I mean something that brings that inner motivation in you. It's that drive that makes you go on. And it's really, really important to have that purpose in life. And if you want to have a fulfilled life and you want to have a life which has purpose, it's very important to have a passion. And I can talk about myself. I'm a makeup artist, and makeup artistry is really close to my heart, and it's a passion for me. And when I'm doing makeup artistry, I put my heart and my soul into it. So I feel if I was doing something else, I couldn't have excelled so much, because this is something that I love doing. So yes, absolutely. If you want to pursue your dreams, go after your passions, and that's the only way it's going to bring you contentment and fulfillment.
माविश, एक औरत के लिए फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट होना कितना ज़रूरी है एंड व्हाट इम्पैक्ट डज इट हैव ऑन अ वुमन्स लाइफ?
बहुत ज़रूरी है. आई फील इट्स एक्सट्रीमली इम्पॉर्टेंट कि एक औरत फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट हो. हम लोग समझते हैं कि एक औरत को हम एक डिसीजन मेकिंग पावर देते हैं. शी इज़ एबल टू मेक मोर चॉइसेस इन लाइफ. You don't know what life brings, what life has in store for you. So if you are financially independent, you're able to take care of all the hardships. You're able to tackle the obstacles in life. You're more ready to take on life, I feel. Not only that, मुझे याद आ रहा है कि हमने जैसे MBA में हम पढ़ते थे, there was a theory of the Maslow's theory of hierarchy, in which the top two tiers were of self actualization and self esteem. I feel to reach that point of self esteem and self actualization, it's crucial that you are financially independent. एक औरत के लिए बहुत उसको बूस्ट मिलता है उसकी सेल्फ इस्टीम में when she knows that she has the power to make a decision, when she is independent financially. Not only that, I feel सना हमारी सोसाइटी में जिस औरत के पास फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस होती है उसको एक फ़र्क तरह की इज़्ज़त दी जाती है. इनसाइड द फैमिली, आउटसाइड द होम, प्रोफेशनली. बहुत ज़रूरी है कि एक औरत अपने पैरों पे खड़ी हो, और फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस आपको बहुत लेवल्स पे रिस्पेक्ट दिलवाती है. सो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अ वुमन to be financially independent. I would say do your homework. If you want to switch your career, if you want to switch into something that you really want to do in life, like first of all, I would say dig in deep and find out your inner calling. See what your passion is. Experiment and do your homework. And once you're sure and you have identified what your true calling is and what you really want to do in life, then just do it. Go ahead with it. Switch your career. This is never too late. But once you make a decision, then stick to it and put your heart and soul into it and work hard towards it. Because it's not about switching. It's about knowing yourself more and more and more with time. So once you identify what your true calling is and what you really want to do in life, then you make a switch and then you stick to it, and that's when you really start growing and moving forward.